I'm Polly Bath, and I travel around the country helping schools to navigate, manage, and change their difficult behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer a question coming from the high school. Here goes. Do you have any recommendations for avoiding or getting out of power struggles with high school kids? I'll admit, sometimes they suck me in, and it's hard not to lose it. Great question. And you're right, super hard. First of all, give yourself a break. Validate yourself. The fact that when people roll their eyes at you, make an explosive comment or whatever, it is so hard not to instantly want to come back at them. So one of the things that we can do that's really going to be helpful is change our perception. It's all about perception. See, when your automatic thought gets in the way, and you can't change your perception, what's happening is you're hearing or seeing something like that comment or that facial expression, and it automatically triggers a thought for you that it's wrong. People should not treat you like that. Are you right? You are absolutely right. So do not think you need to change your automatic thought. That's yours, and you can have it. Your perception is where we need to shift gears. I have to be able to take that split second to what I call stop, think, and process. It's something I teach the kids. I tell them to, STP this. So stop, think, and process is in the moment, unless somebody's in danger, stop for a moment, look past the behavior, change your perception. Know that if somebody is giving you a comment back, they are trying to take back control that they feel that they've lost. For a child, they have a difficult time changing their perception. The only way we can stay out of the power struggle is to very quickly shift gears and change ours. It's okay for me to feel like I was wronged, but how I respond is going to matter as to whether I get into a deeper power struggle that now I can't get out of, and then both of us are going to get nowhere. So sometimes for me, the best response is no response at all. And some people will argue that if I don't respond to that comment, then I'm letting the child get away with it. You're not. You are controlling yourself. And especially if you control yourself in front of other kids, they may be able to pick up on that and say, you know what, you're right. The only control I have is how I respond to something. Change your perception. It's going to help you not get into that struggle. Thanks for watching today. If you have comments about this subject, you can put those down below. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in a future video, put that down below as well.